Welcome to Trillion X Travel. Today we are on a beautiful boat journey through the city of Venice. Today we're embarking on a captivating journey through one of the most enchanting cities in the world, Venice, Italy. As we glide along the majestic Grand Canal, you'll witness the timeless beauty and charm that define this unique city. This city is built on a collection of 118 small islands in the Venetian lagoon. Venice is renowned for its stunning architecture featuring grand palaces, churches, and historic buildings dating back centuries. Many of these structures were built during the peak of the Venetian Republic's power in the Renaissance period. Watch the gondolas and boats zipping around. It's busy here with people going about their day. And check out those singers in the gondolas, a classic Venice experience. But there's also peace and quiet. We'll drift past cozy streets and pretty bridges where you can relax and soak up the atmosphere. Iconic landmarks like St. Mark's Basilica and the Doge's Palace showcase Venice's rich history and cultural significance. These landmarks, along with the Rialto Bridge and the Bridge of Sighs, are must-see attractions for visitors exploring the city. Venice's Grand Canal is the city's main waterway, stretching for about 3.8 kilometers, 2.4 miles, and serving as the primary thoroughfare for transportation and commerce. It's lined with over 170 historic buildings, including palaces, churches, and warehouses, showcasing the city's architectural splendor. Did you know that Venice has been nicknamed the City of Masks? This tradition dates back to the 18th century when Venetians wore masks during the annual carnival celebrations, allowing them to indulge in anonymous revelry and socialize across class boundaries. Venice is not just famous for its gondolas, it's also home to a unique form of rowing called voga alla veneta. This traditional rowing technique involves standing up and rowing with a single oar, requiring strength, balance, and skill. Despite being surrounded by water, Venice faces ongoing challenges from rising sea levels and flooding. To combat this, the city has implemented a massive engineering project called MOS Modulo Sperimental Elettromeccanico to protect it from high tides. Venice's Rialto Bridge isn't just a beautiful structure, it's also one of the oldest bridges spanning the Grand Canal. Built in the late 16th century, it has stood the test of time and remains a symbol of Venetian engineering prowess. As our journey comes to an end, I hope you've enjoyed this immersive tour of Venice's Grand Canal. From its historic landmarks to its vibrant culture, Venice truly captivates the soul like no other city. We hope you enjoyed the floating city of Venice.